To the Employer Local Board workshop. We look forward to your feedback at the end of this conference. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started. As I said during the sound check, my name is Harold Greene. Just a few things that we want to cover with you before we get started. Some guidelines. Your mics are muted. Make sure your cameras are off as well if you have any of those that are on. We did have a few last time when we did our practice runs, so we want to make sure those are off. You also have a question and answer down at the bottom of your screen. So today with your questions, go ahead and type your questions in that. We have a group of folks standing by to make sure that we get your questions answered. If they are employer specific or employee specific, not general questions, we ask that you do send those directly to myself, Harold Greene at PSPRS.com, or Joanne. Our actives team is also standing by. Our retirements team is standing by with those direct questions as well. Make sure that you include the member's name and the last four of their social security number on that so that we can do the research and get back to you in a timely manner on that. So next we'll move into what we're going to be covering today. So we're going to talk about locate the contribution percentages, the actuarial evaluation, and Fletcher will be providing that information to us. We're also going to talk about new members, the demographics page, and the re-enrollment rules that were established in October of 23, creating contribution files, and then how to submit those files, and errors that are associated with files that are submitted will also be covered. Retirement information will be provided by Susan and Marissa. They're going to go into drop as well. And then Mark will be covering our health insurance and the subsidy for that, plus cancer insurance. And then, of course, Joanne will be wrapping it up. She's our anchor person in our big relay today, and she's going to be covering disability and the local board. So first thing we're going to start with is Senior Executive Consultant Fletcher. He's going to go ahead and take control of the system and provide his briefing on the actuarial report. Go right ahead, Fletcher.
All right, thank you.